What's up, y'all? Welcome to another mukbang. I'm back for Mukbang Monday. We've got some big ass. What did I get? Chicken. Why did I forget what these? Well, I always order from here. Flautas. Thank you, chicken flautas. Here they are. Huge from Maria Bonita's restaurant out here in Orem. And then we've got some beans, rice, cheese, lettuce, sour cream, guac. Things that come on the side. Sorry. Let me get my silverware out here. And then to drink today, ASMR moment for the drink. We've got zero sugar ginger ale. I'm so hungry. So let's go. Wow. Very crispy. Mmm. The rice is good. Beans are good. Mm. There's some vegetables in here. Like fajita vegetables. I see some tomatoes, some green peppers, onions. I don't want to use too much. I don't want to eat too much of this because look at all this. Wow. That is dripping. It's like a mix of the chicken and some grease. I feel like it's mostly the chicken from the shredded chicken. I'm just getting a mess. Grease everywhere. Wow. One down. Want some of this on my bite? Okay. So, these you can get chicken pork or carne asada, or you can do one of each. I pretty much get the asada ones most of the time. Today I was feeling shredded chicken. The most random thing over the weekend, I listened there like it's this whole story about a song I found, and then we put on a radio for that song in Spotify, and so it would find similar songs, and then through that radio, I like found all this French music that I love, all this good French music that's gonna be so nice for the summer at the pool. It was like vibey, yeah, it's good. That was so messy. Wow. Wow. Honestly, I forgot about the vegetables they put in here. And like, it's too much. I forgot that I like to get it with like no vegetables. Because it's just a lot of big pieces of vegetable in there. I got napkins everywhere. Honestly, this is so much food. Wow. I'm tapping out, y'all. This is so much food. I'm like, 2 of those, I'm done. Thank you for joining and watching. I hope you enjoyed it, even though I didn't finish it all. Still, that was a lot, those 2. Don't forget to hit the like if you enjoyed this mukbang and subscribe to see more. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do publish more content. And have a great rest of your week. We'll see y'all next time.